to my channel. In today's video, I am using another new palette that I haven't used in my channel before, and I am using the BH Cosmetics Fairy Lights. When this palette first came out, this one was my favorite palette because it had neutrals and pops of colors. But then obviously the Racy one came out, and then I just started using that one instead. But I haven't used this palette in my channel, so I decided to use it today because I am doing a Valentine's Day series like I told y'all last time. So I am trying to do Valentine's Day looks until Valentine's Day. Today's video is just a little bit of subtle color and then with a pop of color on the lid. So I'm using browns and a baby pink and then the pop of color on my lid. And I decided to use this one because it does have great pinks. I haven't used the pinks before, so today was my first time using them, and I actually really did enjoy using the pink colors in the palette. They were really easy to blend, and just the one that I'm using on my lid was also very pigmented, so I really liked it. If y'all want to see how I did this look, then go ahead and keep watching. I am starting out with the color Adorn on my crease, and I'm just making sure to blend it very well, but as I blend, I am dragging it out, making sort of like a little cat eye. I am putting the color Bliss on my outer V-line, and I'm just making sure to blend it very well also because it is a brown, so I don't want it to take over the whole look. Using the brush that I use with the color Adorn, I am blending it all in together. Using the Anastasia eye primer to cut my crease. It's a white base and I wanted the pink to pop a little more. My lid, I am using the color Mesmerize, and I'm just making sure to go a little back to where the brown is to get away with the harsh lines. For lashes, I am using the BH Cosmetics lashes in the style N105, and I am going in with a black eyeliner just to make the look a little bit more darker. For my under eye, I am using the color Bliss in Adorn, and I'm just making sure to smoke it out. For my inner corner and highlight, I am using the color Gleaming. For my lips, I am starting with the Bodyography lip pencil in the color Heatherberry. And I am just topping it out with a Clinique lip gloss. I honestly don't remember the name, but it's kind of like a nudie lips gloss. I really hope y'all enjoyed today's look for my Valentine's Day series. Please leave me thumbs up or any comments. Thank you so much for watching.